That's new, that is, I think. I don't think mine is like that. No other one. That's nice, though. It's always a bit stiff to on first. Simple though. I normally just point this thing up and down like that.
Just on there, there's like a hole there, little thing you have to pull out. It's a double tightener. Unscrew that. There we go. So, with a little bit of persuasion, that obviously falls in there. Tighten that up. See if I remember right. Okay. So, the easiest way to get this out, you can't really get your drill in there that easy without messing up the thing. If you just use a little extender, the T20. So, this thing opens up like that, and this thing pops off. It's got like things that opens up. There's little adjusters on the back there. You just bring the item up, push it in, push the front, and because that's going to pull in. Okay, now the machine's all put together. That should be sturdy. Everything's attached. Check that's tightened. Next thing you've got are the instructions on here. This is a choke. Obviously fuel them. It's 40 to 1. I'll give you a little can. You fill that to there with fuel, and fill that to there with 2-stroke. I'll show you that in a minute. The fuel tank isn't that big, so you have to be careful when you fill it on off. That is the, I have to double check, I'm pretty sure. That's the on position. That's the off position. Triggers. See both of them pressed down to operate. And just don't go crazy, it's like a bridge. Don't force it. And then just nice. See now it's got these instructions with that little thing on, looks like a CCTV camera. It sort of links up with this on the top. So I think number one, let's switch it like this. So there's actually, I think that's on. It's weird, it looks like it's not, but yeah. Number two, you want to set the choke to that. So then it comes down saying 6 of the little CCTV camera, so that means where are we on this one? Okay, so just under there, you see that little thing? That's the fuel pump. That's the fuel pump, that is. So you just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's saying you want to pull the drawstring 4 times. It's going to try and just pump fuel into the fuel lines and do what it has to do. Just as it is, choke up. Okay, maybe I pulled a bit too hard. Pull a little bit more gently than that. Then we're going to want to switch it over to the choke open. Then it's going to say, right now it's pretty much ready to go. So if I pull this, this should spark into action. So remove your cover off it. The best thing I've found when you're starting it, angle the blade up a little bit, it'll naturally sit on an incline. Blade in the air. Thing's pretty stable from the back. But I do like to put my hand on it just to make sure it's not really rocking anywhere. This will kick off now, so I'm going to tell you this before. So you want to pull that, it'll kick it off, but saying here 1 to 2 minutes of letting it just do what it's got to do, and then finally that's saying crack on. I'm pretty sure. And that might mean space. I think it's something to do with space. I don't know. It's ready to go. So let's give it a go. Let's protect your face. Don't do that, just disengage that. Give it 1 screw to that and it'll stop straight out. I think I probably should have done that sooner, to be honest with you. You live in there. At this point, I'm actually going to pick it up. So you want to lay it flat, let it just run.